India officially became the second largest 5G smartphone market globally, surpassing the United States. With 13% market share, India trails only behind China's 32%. This growth can be attributed to the increasing availability of 5G smartphones across the various price segments, particularly in the budget friendly category. Brands like Samsung, Vivo, Xiaomi have significantly contributed to this growth, with Xiaomi experiencing a triple digit growth rate in India. World Trade Center to anchor ambitious AI city near Hyderabad. The government of Telangana has taken a significant step towards establishing itself as a global AI hub by signing a memorandum of understanding with the World Trade Centers Association for the creation of a World Trade Center within the proposed AI city near Hyderabad. This strategic move underscores Telangana's commitment to fostering innovation, attracting global investments, and positioning itself at the forefront of artificial intelligence and emerging technologies. The world's first Asian king vulture conservation center was inaugurated in Uttar Pradesh by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on September 6, 2024. The Jatayu Conservation and Breeding Center is located in Maharajganj and will focus on 24 by 7 monitoring and breeding of vultures with the goal of releasing them into their nature environmental. The center is designated to replicate the vulture's natural habitat and will provide a diet of meal for the birds. RBI Reserve Bank of India imposes penalties on Godrej Housing and Hudco and other housing finance. RBI has levied penalties on three non-banking financial companies (NBFCs) for failing to comply with its directives on housing finance companies. The penalties are as follows: Godrej Housing Finance Limited and other Housing Finance Limited were each fined 5 lakhs, while Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited (HUDCO) faced a penalty of 3.5 lakh. RBL Bank has partnered with Indian Oil to launch Indian Oil RBL Bank Extra Credit Card, a fuel-oriented credit card offering a high return of 7.5% on fuel purchases. This card is available at a joining and annual charges 1500 plus GST and offers up to 8.5% value back at Indian Oil stations. India and UAE have signed a landmark agreement to cooperate on civil nuclear energy. The agreement includes a long-term LNG supply contract and a memorandum of understanding on nuclear cooperation between Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited and Emirates Nuclear Energy Corporation. This move is seen as a significant step towards strengthening the strategic partnership between the two countries. The MOU aims to promote cooperation in the development of nuclear civil energy and shares the best practices in this field. India and USA Joint Military Exercise Yuddh Abhyas 2024. The 20th edition of the India-USA Joint Military Exercise Yuddh Abhyas 2024 commenced on September 9, 2024 at Foreign Training Node in Mahajan Field Firing Ranges in Rajasthan State. The Indian Army and Indian Air Force signed a memorandum of understanding with Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya to enhance their logistic skills and capabilities. The MOU was signed on September 9, 2024 in New Delhi in the presence of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw. The partnership aims to develop in-house expertise in logistic operations, aligning with national development plans like PM Gati Shakti, National Master Plan, and National Logistic Policy. The MOU will also provide experiential learning through real-world case studies, helping to train future logistic managers equipped for modern welfare. Yogasana secures spot as a demonstration sport in 2026 Asian Games. In a significant development for traditional Indian sports, Yogasana has been officially included as a demonstration sport in the upcoming 2026 Asian Games, set to take place in Aichi, Nagoya, Japan. This decision marks a pivotal moment in the recognition of yoga as a competitive athletic discipline on the international stage.